Today in art we're going to be drawing creatures using natural shapes, like you see with this poison dart frog, or this caiman, or this macaw, or this panda. Your creature can be a real creature, or it can be an imaginary creature, or a creature from your own imagination. But my suggestion is to draw it first like you would normally draw it. So I'm going to draw a penguin, but I'm going to draw it first using shapes. So once I have my creature drawn using regular shapes, now I'm going to try to think of how I could turn this into that same creature but make it out of fruits and vegetables. So I'm going to try to think or other things from nature like leaves or sticks or rocks, pine cones. So I'm going to look at these shapes and try to think of where I can maybe turn that into something from nature. So like this beak, for example, maybe this could be a carrot instead of, maybe this could be made out of a carrot. Or maybe this bottom one could be a pepper, like a hot pepper. And maybe the head, I want the head to be kind of dark. And I'm starting to draw this with marker just so you can kind of understand what I'm doing. I think a good object for this could be a plum. A plum is like a peach, but it's like a darker, more purplish color. And for my eye, I want my eye to be kind of big. Maybe it could be a kiwi. Kiwis have that orange, that brown outside, and then they have sort of a green inside. So I'm trying to take, and they have those seeds in the middle, and I'm going to use a little olive for the center of my eye. Black olive. My belly, ooh, I think that would be really cool to be a pineapple. So I'm trying to look at these shapes that I used to make my creature out of and turn it into where it looks more like it's made out of things from nature. This flipper over here would look cool as a watermelon. But maybe for fun I could do this one differently, and it could be bananas. And I'll outline them with a darker color, but then I'll go in and add my yellow. And I would do kind of the same thing for there. Maybe this foot, I might round it a little bit more, and it could be an avocado. And maybe this one instead could be a pear. So I try to turn these into different objects from nature that I could find maybe outside or somewhere else. And after I've drawn all that, then I'm going to go in and give it a little bit more color to try to give it more detail, make it look more like those fruits and vegetables. If you get done drawing your creature made out of things from nature, then anytime you have left, try to go in and show us, you might show us where that creature is. Like back here, since penguins normally live down in Antarctica, I'm drawing some little icebergs back here in the background. And maybe we need some, and I could color in some water. So if you have any time remaining after you've drawn your creature, then give it a place where it could live, where it could be inhabiting this wonderful world that we live in. So I hope you have fun, and I can't wait to see what you make.